In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload high-quality video on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then just stop right here at that plus to start creating your video. Then you can use your camera to record short video, or you can upload one from your camera roll. I'm gonna hit add upload, and that will open up my camera roll, and then I'm just gonna choose a video and hit add next. And then all we have to do in order to upload the particular video in a highest possible quality is just stop right here where it says more options, and then just scroll down until you find allow high quality uploads. If this toggle button turned off, just like that, just tap on it to enable high-quality uploads on your TikTok account.